What's up guys, and welcome to another quick speed test comparison between the Camon 15 Pro and the Realme 5 Pro. The Camon 15 Pro is a new budget smartphone which comes with a 6GB of RAM and a chipset of Helio P35, while the Realme 5 Pro comes with 8GB of RAM and a chipset of Snapdragon 712. So it's quite interesting to see which one of the smartphone is faster between the Camon 15 Pro and the Realme 5 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as always, the first test will be a boot-up test between both of the smartphones, and 3, 2 and 1, and let's see who will be the winner of the first boot up test. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to get the latest smartphones comparison, camera comparison, speed test, unboxing and much more. And both of the smartphones have updated version of Android, which is Android 10, and logos are also moving around on both of the smartphones. So let's see. Well, the boot-up test won by the Realme 5 Pro and the Camon 15 Pro is still taking time. Well, it was around 2-second difference between both of the smartphones while booting up. The boot-up test won by the Realme 5 Pro. So let's see the gaming performance of both of the smartphones. So as you guys can see, everything is completely closed on both of the smartphones, and let's start from some basic stuff. Phone dialer. Well, pretty much quicker on the Realme 5 Pro. Settings. Again, quicker on the Realme 5 Pro. Now moving on towards some third-party applications, and here we have got Subway Surfer. Well, both are loading, and wow, it was pretty much faster on the Realme 5 Pro. Till now, none of the tests won by the Camon 15 Pro. Quite disappointing. But let's see what's going to happen next. Temple Run 2. Well, again about 3 seconds faster on the Realme 5 Pro. Pubg Mobile, the most heavier game of this speed test. Let's see. The Realme 5 Pro was faster there with a huge difference. I will say the Realme 5 Pro is just a beast as compared to the Camon 15 Pro. Now let's see, smash it. Again, quicker on the Realme 5 Pro. Color switch. Faster there again on the Realme Fruit Ninja. Again, quicker on the Realme 5 Pro. None of the tests won by the Camon 15 Pro, including the boot-up test. Zedge. Slightly faster on the Realme 5 Pro once again. Pinout. Again, faster on the Realme 5 Pro. YouTube. Well, it was about the same on both of the smartphones. Finally, the Camon 15 Pro show a bit performance. So guys, it was a speed test comparison between the Camon 15 Pro and the Realme 5 Pro. And as you guys saw here, the Camon 15 Pro performance was very poor as compared to the Realme 5 Pro, because none of the tests won by the Camon 15 Pro with a 6GB of RAM and a P35 chipset. In my next video, I will also do camera test comparison between both of the smartphones, because both of the phones have got quad camera setup. So we will see there which one of the smartphone camera is better. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.